Hey you guys, welcome to the island of Belitung. This is an island just east of Sumatra in Indonesia. And what we're doing right now is we're going on a boat. We're gonna go check out a couple of local islands. But yeah, this place is actually known for its tin mining, and the reason why we came over here is also this is the birthplace of my grandparents. So we're gonna go check out kind of little heritage of where I came from. So yeah, stay tuned and take a look at our gorgeous view. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are here at Paskar Langi, is that right?
Laskar Pelangi.
Oh man, I'm so bad with names. But I'm here with my cousin Yosa.
Hey!
And then
Hey guys.
he had a pretty interesting story about where we are and why this is an important spot for the island of Belitung. Apparently.
Yeah, so basically this is the set for a movie called Laskar Pelangi. It was directed in 2008 about a story about a little very poor boy, and he dreamt big to dream to go to Paris one day just because he saw Eiffel Tower in TV or something, and then he worked hard, and one day he became an artist, and he finally went to Paris and have a happy life after.
Yeah, so the importance of that movie is actually not just the story of it all, but it put Belitung on the map, right?
Yes,
so
of course.
basically no one knew about this island, no one knew about the natural beauties, but then because of that movie, everyone saw how beautiful this place was.
Exactly.
And here we are now.
Yes.
So let's walk you guys through this nice little movie set, and you guys can see exactly why you guys should come visit.